Alright, I figured I'd do a video on the old Gibson air conditioner. Yes, I have it again. I think it's pretty much meant to stay with me at this point. I got this a few years ago from Nate at my old house. I used it there for a while. And then when I moved out of there, Nate borrowed it. And now it's back here again. I took the Whirlpool out because it was having issues short cycling, so I figured I would put this in to replace it for now. This is one of those WCI units. From what I hear, they're probably one of the last honestly solid air conditioning units. Not sure how long WCI lasted, but they made some interesting stuff. All of them look pretty much like this. But yeah, they're pretty solid units, honestly. I know I've made a video on this thing before. It's the Gibson. It's got constant fan or energy saver fan and a thermostat. Your typical exhaust vent that some may find useless, some may find useful. I don't know. You got this up here. And then the information sheet on the side here. It's a Gibson Appliance Company, Dublin, Ohio, model GAC 086Y7A2A. That's a mouthful. It uses R22. It's an 8,000 BTU air conditioner, and it was manufactured in 1996. So this is just as old as the Whirlpool, and it seems to be more solidly built than the Whirlpool. Even though the Whirlpool was actually a pretty good unit. I really can't badmouth that thing. But it was time for something else to take its spot for a little while. We got the thermostat here, and we'll turn it on high cool. Runs pretty smooth, a lot quieter than the Whirlpool was. I really like that about it. The Whirlpool was kind of loud. This runs pretty nice. Probably not, because it likes to. You see, some people call these things window shakers. This is exactly why. It legit shakes the window. I made a video of this thing before, but I guess we can go outside and go see it from out there. And there it is from the outside. Kind of hard to get a good view of it. Oh yeah, the old Gibson is back in service. Thanks for watching.